Tata Consultancy Services or TCS is one of India's largest multinational business group. TCS has over 500,000 of world's best trained consultants in 46 countries. The company generated consolidated revenues of more than US $22.2 billion dollars in the fiscal year ended March 2021. It is also listed on Bombay Stock Exchange and also on the National Stock Exchange in India. This role is for platform engineer at Tata or TCS and based in Sydney, Australia. It is mainly an on-site role which is more towards the platform engineering in the cloud. So as a platform engineer or an infrastructure engineer, you would need to know a lot of things, including, of course, the technical domain knowledge of any corporate service, plus you would be needing to have a good understanding of either one or more clouds like AWS, Azure, or GCP. You should have good understanding around containers, Kubernetes, plus some exposure to test automation in TDD, BDD. Plus, you should have good grasp of what's the difference between RDBMS, and NoSQL, and then you should have some DevOps background. So all in all, a platform engineering role with bit of everything in the mix. If you think you are up to it, then go to Tata's website or even search them on LinkedIn with Sydney location, and you can easily apply from there. Thank you very much.